To integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce, start by installing the Afterpay Payment Gateway plugin from the WordPress plugin directory. Once installed, activate the plugin and navigate to the WooCommerce settings page. Click on the Payments tab and select Afterpay as the payment method. You will need to configure the Afterpay settings by entering your merchant ID and secret key, which can be obtained from your Afterpay merchant account. Ensure that the API endpoint is set to either Sandbox or Production, depending on your testing environment. After configuring the settings, you can customize the appearance of the Afterpay payment button on your WooCommerce checkout page. You can choose the button style, color, and text to match your store's branding. To test the integration, create a test product and proceed to the checkout page. Select Afterpay as the payment method and complete the payment process. Verify that the order is successfully created and the payment is processed correctly. Best practices for Afterpay WooCommerce integration include ensuring that your store meets Afterpay's merchant requirements, providing clear payment instructions to customers, and testing the integration thoroughly before going live. Regularly review your Afterpay transactions and order status to ensure a smooth payment experience for your customers. Additionally, consider customizing the Afterpay payment experience by offering flexible payment plans and clear payment terms. This can help increase customer satisfaction and reduce cart abandonment rates. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully integrate Afterpay with WooCommerce and offer your customers a seamless payment experience.